It's up. Got a package that came in the mail. The first PR package of 2018. From Smashbox, and I think this was actually a really cool theme. Props to their marketing people. Over here, this actually turns on and the mirror lights up. What up, people? And then all the names of these shadows are themed around like pictures, kind of. So there's tag me, hashtag repost, double tap, it's fire. Macy, did you come up here? Oh, my poor dog. I have so much in the hallway that she can't even get. Oh, you wanted to lay on it. Okay. And also one thing that they do that I think is cool. I've always been confused when they send like a prepaid envelope label in their PR packages, and then I finally found this like card in this one that I guess is probably in all of them. So it says you have the option to donate anything in this box that's not your style. Here's how it works. You choose your charity, and then you include the products that you don't want, which I just think is great because a lot of YouTubers get way too much stuff that they cannot use. That's why I've been giving so much away lately, and then I just give stuff to friends and family. But I just thought that was a cool idea. Good morning, vlog. I have missed ya. I was not planning to vlog today. It's actually around, oh, it is 1:24. I didn't intend to vlog today, but I was just downstairs eating breakfast and getting ready and just like browsing social media. I don't know. And there were many times I was thinking about stuff that I should say to the vlog. Just thoughts I had and things I wanted to share. And so I thought I would vlog today because I feel like we got lots. It's been like a week apart. Here we have the first zit of 2018. Love that. So just new in my life, what's going on. I'm sure a lot of you guys saw I posted my 1 second a day video for 2017. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, or you haven't seen it, I will have it linked, but over on my main channel. This is the second video, or the second year in a row where I'm posting sort of a compilation video, going through a second of every day of my entire year. Actually, it's kind of the third time because I did also do that my sophomore like academic year, beginning like the first day of class and ending like at the end. Other new things since Vlogmas, oh yeah, I was like, not much. Big thing, my family has decided to go vegan. So a little background, I watched over the summer with Danny when we were living in LA. I watched the documentary on Netflix, What the Health. I didn't really change anything about what I was eating, but I just thought it was very informational. And I'm all about like government conspiracy, like corporate America things, and like how the information we get is like so, I don't know, so manipulated because of all of like the people in the government have so many corporate ties to like all these big companies. So like whatever, I just love stuff like that. Kind of like the sugar documentary, if you've watched that, kind of does some similar revealings of some ties there. But my family watched it and we are not the healthiest eaters in America. So, and my parents decided that we would try going vegan for 2 weeks, only for 2 weeks. So it'll just be easy being at home. I found a bunch of vegan recipes that I'm gonna cook, my mom's gonna cook, because it's also nice being able to like cook for a bunch of people rather than cooking for just one person. I feel like now is a good time to try it out. Not in a crazy way. We are eating honey, which is apparently a disputed item. So we found some cool recipes. I'm very eager to try. Maybe I'll vlog them. I'm preparing myself for a not great experiences, but we're gonna eat them anyway because we're doing it for 2 weeks. So I will definitely update you guys on how that goes. I don't have all the products that I thought I had that I need to finish my makeup right now. They're in my other room. So I'm just gonna wrap up a few other things and then go finish getting ready in there. New moving updates. I am currently in the process of trying to figure out how to ship my car. I found this website called uship.com that all these like car shipping provider or whatever. Well, you can either just like book it with the ones on there and like see their prices that are just like automatically quoted and everything. Or you can like start an auction where you like put a picture of your car and like whatever and like choose your pickup dates and destination and like all of that. And the companies can actually like bid on your car. So like there's kind of an advantage there because like they can compete. I don't know, we're seeing how this works. And I'm also trying to figure out like how to pack things, how to get them over. Like I feel like I need to start packing now because I'm definitely filled. They say you can get like up to 100 pounds. Pretty much all the companies say you can have up to 100 pounds of stuff in your trunk. Well, whatever, I'm just gonna put as much as I can in the trunk. It's definitely gonna be over 100 pounds. So we'll see if I get in trouble for that. So right now where I'm at is just trying to strategize like what items, like, I don't know, how to pack everything up. My room's messy again, that's old news. Here we are in 2018, just same me, you know? I don't know what's more annoying, when people say new year, new me, or when people say new year, same me. Let me know what you think below. I'm trying to figure out what items are best to ship in my car, because you definitely don't want like anything, well I guess in any situation you don't, You have to ship the breakable stuff somehow. I don't even know what I have that's breakable. I'm thinking I'm gonna put like clothes and stuff in my trunk because my car won't get there till probably like several days after I get to LA. I'm moving on the 17th, so I can live without my entire wardrobe for a while. Also, what's complicated about the car thing is having to have my car and anything I just like ship over, like, I don't know, I'm not hiring movers beyond the car situation. It's also just a really fun situation trying to figure out how to time all this to where it arrives in LA between the 17th and like 29th, because on the 30th I leave to go to Finland. I'm preparing myself to spend a ton of money furnishing a place, and Adrian's not gonna be there the day that me and Janine, I don't think I ever announced. I've been waiting on her to announce that she is living with us, so she is our third roommate. We are both going on the 17th. Adrian's in Thailand till the 20th. She's the only one with a car. Me and Janine's cars aren't gonna be there yet, so we're trying to like rent a car. And when we get there with all of our suitcases, we go straight to our house. We have to like do the walkthrough inspection, get the keys. It's just a lot of little details, but I think it's exciting. I kind of like how nothing's worked out in a way. I don't know, it'll be cool to watch everything come together. It's really hard to stress me out these days. Did I finish what I was saying? Oh, so I'm like trying to figure out like the vibe of my room. I've been Pinteresting a lot on my Pinterest below, and we're also making a closet room because we have a 4th bedroom that's really tiny. And also the app Dote that you guys have heard me talk about so much in Vlogmas. The team there is so awesome. I reached out to, I love all of them there. I reached out to some of their team because some of the companies that they have relationships with and sell on their app are also companies that have home decor lines. So Urban Outfitters, H&M, Cotton On, there are others, but those are the ones that we are actually working with. Thankfully, the Dote team came through with a really awesome opportunity with Urban, H&M, and Cotton On, and we got to pick out some stuff from them that they're going to be providing and sending to our house there. It's probably going to get there early, so we had it shipped to Monica and Shelby's. Also, if you follow me on the Dote app, which again will always be linked below, it's kind of like Pinterest. I'm realizing like you can make, it's like a shoppable Pinterest, which is very cool in my opinion, especially for my circumstances with moving. So I have a home board on there. We have a house one that was like a collaborative board that me, Adrian, and Janine all put stuff that we wanted for like our living room and kitchen on. And then I also have my own like bedroom bathroom board. You can kind of like see the vibe we're going for if you want, or if you're looking for like your own room decoration inspo or anything like that. We have a ton of really cool items. I almost said pinned. Saved to our favorites lists over there. And if it's your new year, I'm saying this because you get credit, I get credit. I'm trying to buy a lot of stuff. I'm sure all you guys like to buy some stuff. If you haven't heard my Dote spiel before, it's pretty much all stores that you're already shopping for on one app, and you can just check out in one click, getting like one item from a ton of stores, or however you want to do it. It's just like shopping made simple. If you use the code Morgan on your first purchase, you can get $5 off. And I'm pretty sure you get free shipping at most places as well. And I think you just have to spend $10 to get the 5 off. So say there's a $10 item you want, you get $5 off, and I think you get free shipping. That's just like free money when you think about it. And then you get $5, and then I get $5. And I actually didn't know for a long time that I got credit when you use that code, but I do. I learned that. So we can both just like get some free stuff. That sounds pretty great to me. Does it to you? It does to me. I'm also figuring out like what items I want to like cash that in for. Just so many details. Can you guys, I don't know. There are way more things that are uncertain than the ones I just named, if that's hard to believe. I think today I'm gonna start packing a little bit. I don't know why I did my makeup. I think just because I was vlogging. It's like a good way to just sit down and chat. Back to these, sorry. I started taking these out and they look like lenses. Like, see the ridges around the edge? I just think this is well done. This is not sponsored in any way. I just am very impressed with this package. This is what my hand looks like currently because I've been testing out lip products, going through deciding what I want to take, what I want to leave. This is my lip drawer under my sink. And we're gonna make some vegan pizza for dinner today. I also have the hiccups. I've had them for an hour and they are not going away, so great times. Mother's over here kneading some dough.
I don't know how to do this.
Like a skillful pizza baker. I'm about to try vegan cheese. I'm about to cook up some of this to go on my portion of the pizza. Learning chocolate's not vegan. Pretty obvious, but it's probably my Saturday. Gosh, what is wrong with you, Dana?
I'm trying to scare the hiccups
Oh my gosh.
Did it work?
I don't know. I'm trying to say that I want to be able to eat chocolate. Weird woman, if I did that to you, I would not be able to put that on the internet. We got mushrooms and onions cooking, and some jalapenos and red peppers. I'm trying to make a rendition of my favorite pizza at City Kitchen in Chapel Hill. Ooh, it smells like normal cheese. It tastes milky, but it's dairy-free, gluten-free. Gluten-free. My first bite was, I was very confused because I had just touching jalapenos. like the seeds. And so I was like, this is spicy. It's not bad.
Yeah,
if it melts great like it says it does, we should have no problems.
Is this your vegan what you eating today?
No, but I should do that.
I watched about 20 of those last night and they are so mesmerizing.
Should I make one?
They're just like relaxing to watch. I don't know.
Good morning. I think I'm gonna do a week of my life because I didn't really vlog tons yesterday. So it is now Wednesday. This morning I went and had my lashes filled. Meredith, what have you done today?
I had the dentist.
Yep. She had 12 cavities, so.
That's a lie, only 10.
She had none. None of us have ever had a cavity. And it's like, not because of hygiene. I think we just have like fortunately shaped teeth or something that like don't get cavities. I actually brush like 4 times a day. Every time I eat, I brush them. Or if my mouth's not feeling fresh, I brush them. But like there was a phase in middle school where I kid you not, I would go days without brushing my teeth. It's disgusting.
Oh, but I remember it was like Kesha or some famous celebrity said they didn't brush their teeth and they like to feel the grime, so therefore you thought, yeah, I remember you told mom and dad about it. Therefore,
I think I was kidding because I don't remember that.
You said that you weren't gonna brush them either because you like to feel the grime on the back of your teeth.
No, I definitely did not ever say that, so it's definitely a joke that you guys believe. I'm currently making a little PB&J smoothie inspired by this one, this place called, I can never remember what it's called. It was called Foster's now, or it used to be the Root Cellar in Chapel Hill. They have this PB&J smoothie and it's banana, strawberries, and like almond butter, peanut butter or something, but I am using this like peanut powder that's from Jif, that's just like peanuts. And then I put some chia seeds in there as well. And I'm gonna add coconut milk. We're gonna blend it up. Day 3 of veganism.
Day 3 of dying.
It's actually going pretty well. I feel good. Even in just like 2 days, I feel like I have more energy. And tonight we're having veggie fajitas, so. Big reputation, big reputation. Oh, you need to be a big conversation. I've started packing. At the moment, I'm going through all of my books. This is not gonna go in there, it doesn't fit. Books and notebooks that I wanna pack. So you can see ones I left. It's after Christmas, so I suppose I can also undecorate now. These are bath products I wanna take. Need to organize those, and then like face washes and stuff like that I need to put in plastic bags so that hopefully they won't spill. If they do, it won't get over everything. Here is what is going in our vegan fajitas. We have onions, mushrooms, peppers. We're gonna put some taco seasoning on them. You could slice up some avo, Maddie.
I'm busy.
Taco time. It's not Tuesday, it's Wednesday. We didn't plan this well.